The Toys R Us tragedy. What happened to our toys? For those of you that are old enough to remember the iconic store Toys R Us, it was quite a fixture in many of our upbringing. Well, Toys R Us is an American toy, clothing, and baby production retail company. It was actually founded in April of 1948. Its headquarters was in Wayne, New Jersey, and it was founded by this gentleman here, Mr. Charles Lazarus. One thing that Toys R Us, that we all knew about Toys R Us, was its brand mascot. His name was Godfrey the Giraffe. The earliest version of Godfrey, he was actually known as Dr. G. Raffy, and he was created to represent the children's bargain town where Lazarus first opened his baby store. Other brands of Toys R Us was also Babies R Us and Kids R Us. Like the R Us. Good. Now, Toys R Us did have quite a good reign. In 1997, Toys R Us was the #1 retailer in the U.S. It surpassed the sales of Walmart and Target. The company did not have a good annual profit from 2013, and it reported a net loss of $164 million ending in the quarter of April 2017. In September 2017, the company was forced to file for bankruptcy. What happened? Well, from 2016 on, we saw a shift in where Americans purchased their toys. We can see that Amazon and Walmart sales surpassed those of Toys R Us. Who's to blame? Was it the design committee? Last minute cost cutting? Who's to blame for Toys R Us failure? Well, they just entered the game too late. Toys R Us became a casualty of the big box model that it helped to create. The stores were jam-packed with inventory, and customer service was virtually non-existent. And by the time they figured it out, it was just a little too late to save our iconic Toys R Us store. So Toys R Us, they just went tumbling down. And Amazon went shooting up. Amazon. What is it about Amazon that we all love? I mean, we don't really go to the store, but Amazon gathered something really fast, and it started with the name and its significance. The Amazon logo depicts the absolute message to the customers. You can buy everything from A to Z. In addition, the arrow that you see from the A to Z, well, it's pretty good. It's a virtual smile that the customer of the company, that's the experience that you get when you shop on the Amazon website. Pretty clever. Amazon also implemented some key marketing tools of success. First, the email marketing. Amazon saw this as an important channel to connect with its customers. Then its ratings and reviews. 86% of customers are known to read online reviews, and 90% of them trust what is recommended in those reviews. I know I do. Then you pair that with the customer loyalty program, such as in Amazon Prime. But Amazon also did another thing. They spent a fortune on advertising, and it pays off too. But who were they targeting, and how are they reaching their target? Well, Amazon has more choices across the board, and they increase the customer shopping experience. So you're not only buying toys on Amazon, you can get groceries, school supply, life necessities, all right on your couch. I mean, the other day I went on Amazon and I just ordered groceries and it was delivered by the end of the day. But you can also go to Whole Foods and show your Amazon Prime, and then you get an additional discount when you're shopping. Great strategies. And it's paying off. You see the numbers. Amazon has reached 6 times more customers than Walmart and 12 times more of Target. I'm sure within another couple of the years, you'll see some other big brands falling to Amazon. So I guess everyone has grown up, and there's no more need for anyone to go to Toys R Us to buy toys. So, R.I.P. my beloved Godfrey. It was nice knowing you. See you in toy heaven. Bye.